Don't let drawing bubbles stress you out anymore. Follow this simple step-by-step tutorial. You can learn how to draw bubbles in no time. Our tutorial is designed to make it easy for anyone to create stunning, vibrant bubbles that impress your friends and family and mostly grandma. Seriously, what are you waiting for? Create your masterpiece today. Grandma needs a new drawing on her refrigerator. So I'm gonna begin, is there something you wanna tell the class? Okay. All right, so pencil sharks, that's what you guys are gonna become at the end of this drawing. And a pencil shark is a shark that is not afraid to attack new things. So you guys are both drawing bubbles for the first time. You guys are being courageous. Here we go. You guys ready? All right, so take your cup, take your white colored pencil. Make sure you're pushing hard while you're tracing it. It's not going all over the place. You can press kind of firmly.
Ooh.
If you make mistakes, you're only docked 20 points. Okay, so here we go. Notice how it's curved like this. It's curved. Even this line is a little bit curved, and this line is a little bit curved. With our white colored pencils, put in our window. We're gonna fill in the rectangle with white. We're gonna go to the opposite end because bubbles reflect the same thing on the other side. Notice it's a curved rectangle. So let's put in our curved rectangle right here. If you shake the table, you lose 20 points.
You're shaking the table. I think
all right.
Horrible.
We're gonna make a little line right here and then go to the other side because bubbles, they mimic the opposite side. We're gonna add one right here and we're gonna add one right here. Do you guys know what this is for?
No.
All right, so you wanna look good when you're doing this. So, no, this is for brushing off the crumbs from your colored pencil. And so if you ever get crumbs, you can borrow this brush because you don't wanna do this, you know, and then spit goes all over your bubble and it pops. All right, so here we go. The grab is called Blue Lake. From the bottom all the way to halfway, we're gonna color it blue. We're going to use the same blue on the opposite side on the top part halfway down. Grab Violet. I'm just gonna call it Violet. Go from the top down and go slightly over the blue so that it kind of blends together. Can you guys stop being so loud? I'm joking.
I knew it. It was a joke.
Soul sharks love using light aqua.
Light aqua.
A little bit above the blue right here, about halfway into the white, we're gonna still leave a layer of white. Grab our yellow, color over the white part.
Oh, I need a brush. Brush.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
put a layer of purple from about here all the way to about here. Grab lavender. We're gonna go up over to here. Grab orange and then let it be orange for about another inch. Lemon yellow, and we're gonna mix it with the orange a little bit and go down about another inch. All of our bubbles are gonna look a little different. Green, go over the yellow a little bit and then go about, I'd say, half an inch. Turquoise, light aqua, mix it with the light green. We're gonna go about an inch. Blue Lake, go over a little bit of the purple and go a little bit over the aqua turquoise color. Yellow, start at the top of this highlight. Do yellow halfway down.
Does this look good?
Do you want me to be honest? Yeah, it looks good. Grab your orange, go over the yellow a little bit with the orange. Grab the dark purple, and we're going to just
Papa,
touch the bottom of it right there. Grab hot pink.
Hot pink.
From the top to the middle. Grab the purple. Go purple to the pink. Grab the yellow to the middle. Go to our green. From yellow to green. Turquoise. Go halfway up the last highlight. Grab the Blue Lake from the turquoise, a little bit overlapping the turquoise all the way up. Grab your black, put a line straight down the middle of your rectangle.
It's like you erased it.
Yeah, after you do that, you're gonna put a curved line right in the middle. Now let's do the same thing to the top window. So that straight line down the middle, a curved line right in the middle. Oh, Kiki's helped you.
That actually works better.
Yeah, it actually worked out perfect.
Yeah,
All right,
that
so-
actually does work better.
Get your cool gray. You can do whatever shape you want right here. And just do a really light layer of it. Don't press hard. When I'm shading, instead of going like this, I'm putting my pencil on the side to put the layer down. Grab silver. You don't want to press very hard on this one either. So let's just put a light layer like this. Copy the other shape. White gel pen.
Yay! Do we just get to scrabble?
Test it out on this one. It's always good to have a scrap paper so you can test it out. See, on here, there's this really bright highlight. We're gonna do that. We're gonna put that in right now. Go to this section right here and do a smaller one. You can put like a plus sign. We're gonna come up to this other corner and do another plus sign. Now we're gonna put a star in the top window. Put a plus sign right here, plus sign in the corner, dot right here. That's the mama dot, and here's a little baby dot. Go to the opposite side and do a mama dot, baby dot.
It's actually really easy to make it. And it wasn't actually that long.
Go to your room.
I seriously love it. Wow.
You guys did great.
Guess what it is? It's a bubble.
You guys are now pencil sharks. You have attacked a blank page. You have courageously drew a bubble. Oh, Kiki's helped you. You guys did awesome. High fives. You guys